Hi everyone. I hope you guys are not tired because we're about to go on another drill. Okay, let me see if I can figure out my laptop. Huh. I'm excited about this talk because it's going to be based off of some of the things that Toby had already mentioned. He spoke heavily about agents and all of that, and I'm happy he was able to show a demo of agents. Today we'll be talking about one of the things he mentioned about agents, which is tools, MCP tools. I'm a front-end engineer, but as AI is replacing us, I'm pivoting, like the MC said, I'm pivoting to AI engineering. So I write on LinkedIn, I write on Substack, Medium. I write about AI, web AI, AI in healthcare, anything interesting around that AIE stuff. So if it's interesting to you, please do connect with me on LinkedIn or follow me on Substack. And we'll talk about best practices. So I wanted to get a sense of how many of you guys have heard, used MCP before. Okay, we have one. We have one. Okay, good, good, good. It's good to see that we're guys, in this. Okay, so we're going to be looking at how MCPs work with AI tools. But there are a lot of mobile engineers here, right? So I think this is a very relatable quote, right? When we had iPhones initially, no Apple Store, it was hard to extend the capability of the and all of that. And so I'm trying to draw the same line between what that shift to LLMs, right, and MCP servers, such that LLMs on their own they are magnificent tools to the AI agents, gives them that agentic and autonomous nature. Just like Toby mentioned, if you have an LLM on its own, it's not able to just go out and carry out tasks. Now we have web search, right, which is available to almost all the tools that you use nowadays. And that specifically is a good example of an external resource that is made available to the LLM. Now, the attempt to solve this problem, the limitation problem, initially when we're using ChatGPT, you ask it to write a code, but it may not necessarily get the right answer, or it will give you old code. Let's say it'll give you old React or old Objective-C or something. Please permit me. Function calling is function calling, tool use, tool calling. It's just a way to connect LLMs to tools that extend their capabilities. So things like web search, like we've talked about, file search, you upload a document to ChatGPT, it's able to read the document, understand it, it's a tool. Something I recently learned, I didn't realize that it's been out for like a year, is KUA, which is computer use agents. Now AI agents like ChatGPT are able to conduct like clicks on their own, Anthropic, implementing what is called function calling to their own inbuilt system. If you're using the paid version of Figma, you'll be able to use their MCP server. It only works offline. They don't have an online MCP server, and they should be sued for that. But let's just keep it going. So it's already connected, and how you know it's connected is that I have the get design context, I have the get screenshots, which are tools that Figma MCP exposes. I also have take screenshots, and I should have a page opening a new page, but I really don't know why it's not working. Okay, let's just see. I'm using Cloud Sonnet 4.